How many of you use a calendar or planner or your phone to track your due dates and assignments? I bet quite a few of you have tried, but it doesn't work very well most of the time. First, if you have tried it, you probably don't look at it, and if you don't look at it, what's the point of writing things down? Or, I bet most of you simply use a calendar and Canvas, right? It has all your due dates, so all you have to do is use that, right? The problem with most of these calendar systems is that by the time you look at it to see what's due, it's too late to do the assignment. The solution is an easy one. It's called backward planning. On your calendar, I'm using a weekly calendar that I downloaded from Google. You write all of your assignments when they are due. For example, this week I have a paper due for English, and I have to read chapters 1 and 2 for psychology because I have a quiz on Friday. These readings aren't on my Canvas calendar because they aren't assignments, but I know I have to do them. I also have an econ test on Wednesday. Now that I have my due date set, I'm going to plan my due dates. I'll do this by working backwards. I'll put these due dates in red. You can see that working backwards, I planned when to read the psych chapters, to get them done before they were due, when to study for the econ test, and when to work on my paper to get it completed and checked by the tutoring center before it's due. Now that I have this list, I have to look at my calendar to see what to do each day. Once I have an assignment completed, I can check it off my list. This is how you can effectively use your calendar as a do list and a to-do list to keep you on track for success.